Well, first of all, thank you very much for having me on the show. It's a meaningful work that you're doing, and it's important to bring the kind of guests that you do bring and share the message and the values that we have, especially more so now than ever before. So thank you very much. My name is Mehmud Jafri. I'm a CEO of Dover Rug and Home. It's the kind of work that I love to do. It encompasses my heritage, my culture, and brings in my business acumen. And I think it's the best of both worlds. I'm connected to my background, and I'm earning a living.
Connected to your present home.
Correct.
Yes.
My adopted home,
Yes.
and well, this is my home now.
Yes. What do you like about yourself?
Oh, humility is a challenge for
Humility. And what would you like to change about yourself, if there is anything?
There are plenty of things that I would like to change.
So that shows humility is there. That is ready to change.
Well, change is also a prescription for survival.
Yes.
And I think that probably is one of the things that I would want out of life, is the ability and the vision and the patience to change and change for the better.
So my name is Muneeza Nasrullah, and I am a mother of 2 kids, a wife of 1 husband.
Oh, only? Okay.
And I have been a realtor for the past 17 years.
Wow, okay.
What do I like about myself?
Yes.
I think I'm very responsible.
Okay.
That I can say. I take responsibility, I own it.
Okay.
Whether it's responsibility of a daughter-in-law, a mother, a wife, I do take my responsibilities very seriously.
And especially being in this business.
Absolutely.
That's a lot of responsibility.
Absolutely.
Okay. And anything you would like to change about yourself?
I'd love to be thinner. Oh my God.
No.
Oh, I
come
obsess
on.
over that all the time.
My full name is Ramin Abrishamian. Who I am from Iran. I have lived here in the US for 40 plus years. I'm a businessman and an engineer. And what I do is I'm involved in my profession, which is commercializing new technologies, and also I'm involved in a lot of other socioeconomic activities that I find to be important. Well, what I like about myself is that I don't get afraid of things.
Okay.
So I'm somewhat...
A brave man.
No, I'm willing to try and explore
Take the
and go
risks.
to new places and take risks.
Shows from your profession and career.
I can take,
Yeah.
that I think is a good thing.
Yeah.
What I don't like about I don't have much discipline. I could be a lot more disciplined than I am.
What do you mean by disciplined?
The discipline to be able to keep to a regimen.
My name is Daniel Tutt. I live in Washington, D.C., and I'm a scholar and an activist. I do work with primarily in the interfaith world, but with a particular focus on addressing Islamophobia. So for the past decade, I've worked very closely with different Muslim American organizations.
What do you like about yourself?
I'm really kind of a paradox, because I'm a very introverted person. I've always been deeply fearful of speaking in front of groups, but I also find a lot of catharsis with speaking publicly. I love teaching a big seminar of 60 students. I love giving talks at places, and so, but that's something that I've kind of I've grown into. So I like that weird paradox. So I guess I'm a really inquisitive person. I really want to know. I want to know your story and the truth of it. Down and really get deep with you. So I guess I like.
We will. Yes, thank you. Okay,
I can start a podcast and interview you. Maybe.
Well, okay, maybe then we can collaborate, or maybe host a show. That's a good thing. Okay, anything you'd like to change about yourself?
Um, I think that probably there's a lot of things I'd like to change about myself. Let me name one.
Yeah, no, I don't want a big list. I just want.
I I would like to be the kind of person that is open to changing their mind. Not like at the drop of a hat, but I think that too often we are very rigid in worldviews, how we see the world, how we see things. And it's just a reminder to myself that I'm rigid too. I'd like to be better.
Okay, it's always good to improve yourself and to think about yourself. There's nothing wrong. We all need that. Well, really appreciate it. Thank you for your time. And I hope to speak to you again. I hope our conversation doesn't end here.
No, sure. It's been a pleasure and a delight. And I love the format, and I wish you great success with the podcast.
Thank you.